Alright, so I'm doing a small repair today, and I opened up the roof in order to secure my anchor, and this opening goes to the attic space, and I can feel hot air coming out of that. When I put my hand over top of it, I can feel hot air pushing through. And the reason is, there's a lot of hot air trapped in there due to the fact that the roof isn't venting. So you see there's no ridge vent, all I had was caps. And at the bottom, there's vents allowing air into the attic space, but it has nowhere to escape. That's where ridge vent comes in. If ridge vent was here, the hot air would be able to get out, and you would want ridge vent the entire length of this ridge, depending on the size of your attic. What ends up happening is your shingles age quicker. So these shingles aren't even that old, but yet they're starting to fall apart, and you can go like that and granules just come off really easy, which is one of the signs that your roof is aging due to poor ventilation.